Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I'm back. Today we're gonna do another unboxing video. I've had this video sitting on my computer for the last month. I've bought this phone actually last April 1st, but I've been very busy playing Hogwarts Legacy. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about the phone. So it's Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. I bought it last April 1st in the Samsung Center in SM Lanang for 12,990. That's if you're from Davao City. Yeah, so right now on the website it's on sale for 12,490. And this is going to be a gift for like my niece. And so yes, it's actually a decent phone. It has a 50 megapixel camera. It has a 6.6 inches full HD plus display. It doesn't have a free charger anymore. But this time, since I bought it really early, so they gave me a free brick, and it has a 5,000 mAh battery. It's decent. It also has a lot of colors showing on a website, but on real life, there's only just two options that I could get. It's either the maroon one or the black one. So I just got the maroon one, which you'll be seeing in a little bit. So these are the cameras. It has three cameras in the back. The first one is 2 megapixel. Then the main camera is 50 megapixels. And then there's a macro camera at 2 megapixels. And then the front camera would be at 13 megapixels. So this one is also 5G, and it has like a side fingerprint sensor. For something that's around, I've got this at 12,990 Philippine pesos. So this is around 232 US dollars, depending on the like conversion rate. But if it's cheaper now, then that would be great. And for something that's worth $200, I think this phone is really good. It's a good like a little mid-range phone. These are the features if you want to read them, and then I'll show you the phone. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. This is the box that it came with. My filming space just got a little smaller because I have like a PS5 now, and that's where I placed it. It's very near the television. I'm sorry. So this is what's inside. We have the phone. We have a free funny headset, wired headset or earphones, and we have the brick. Yes, so this is the box. It's a really like tiny box. It's the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. And all the accessories that came with it. The 25 watts adapter, which is also like a fast charger thingy. And that weird earphones that they have given for free. For some reason, Samsung doesn't give out earphones anymore, which is just sad. But yeah. So this is the phone when we get it out straight out of the box in all of its maroon glory. This is the box that also came with the phone. It has a SIM ejector, and this is where the charging cord is in as well. There's also some paperwork. And that's the phone. I'm testing out the camera. The camera is pretty decent, it's pretty clear. I'll also be inserting it here in a little bit. So these are the photos that I took using the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. I think they're decent and it's very Samsung, the camera, so it's a little bit saturated. I've also taken a video that I will be inserting here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you've learned something from it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have an awesome day. Bye!